All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be multiplying binomials. So let's go ahead and see what we have going on here. So what we're going to do is use the box method in this case. We are going to be using it kind of like we did with the multiplying monomials, except now it's a 2 by 2. So I'm going to take this first binomial and I'm going to label that here. So we have 2x and then plus 1. I'm going to put x and plus 5 here. So that means I'm going to multiply what I have. So 2x times x becomes 2x squared. And then 1 times x is just x right here. On the upper right-hand corner, we have 2x times 5, which gives us 10x. In the bottom right-hand corner, we have 5 times 1, which is 5. Now, I want you to notice that these two terms are like terms. So we can actually go ahead and combine those right away while I'm writing my expression in standard form. So I have 2x squared, and then 10x plus x would be a plus 11x, and then plus 5. So we just multiplied a pair of binomials using a box. All right, here's another pair of binomials. So I'm going to set these guys up. So I have negative x here and a plus 2. Then I have 2x minus 1. So now I'm going to actually go ahead and multiply. So 2x times negative x will give us a negative 2x squared. 2x times 2 will give us 4x. Upper right-hand corner, negative x times negative 1 will just give us a positive x. And if you want, you can always put the positive and negative signs just to kind of help you keep track. Bottom right-hand corner, a positive 2 times a negative 1 will give you negative 2. So now as I go through this and start to simplify, I see I have like terms. So when I go to write this in standard form, I have 2x squared plus 5x minus 2. So all I'm doing is taking those terms. So I'm taking this term, writing it here, combining my like terms, and moving this term here. I know all those arrows just probably threw you off, but I think you guys can handle this. Let's see what else we have going for us. So I'm going to set this one up. I have negative 4x plus 7, and then I have x minus 5. It does not matter where you put the binomials, as long as you put one binomial for the rows and one binomial for the columns. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply. I have negative 4x times x, so this would be negative 4x squared. Then I have negative 4 times negative 5, negative 4x times the negative 5, so this would be positive 20x. Bottom left-hand corner, 7x, and then negative 5 times 7 would be negative 35. Going back to that idea that we have like terms right here. I now have negative 4x squared. My like terms, remember this is positive and so is this. So we're going to have plus 27x minus 35. That is our multiplication of two binomials. All right, let's set this one up. So we have 2x minus 6. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you. You can label them differently. You can do 2x minus 6 here, and you can do x plus 3 here. It'll still work out the same. So let's see. X times 2x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. X times negative 6 would be a negative 6x, and then negative 6 times 3 would be negative 18. And if you notice here, now we have our like terms again in that diagonal. So 2x squared. If I have a positive 6x and a negative 6x, those two are basically going to cancel each other out. So this would be what I have left. All right, for the next one, I'm going to ask you to, I guess we're done. I thought I had one more. Congratulations, you survived. The video, oops, I guess not.